Welcome back to the fourth day here. I appreciate all your likes, comments, subscribing. It really helps the algorithm to push my content. We're trying to get to 400 subscribers. So please, please, please hit that like and subscribe button. That really helps and engage with my content. Don't just subscribe. We are on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of next year of 2025. So please join this Money Makers and get started. So this platform you can get paid to share your files, and it's WeFile. You can learn, so you can set your price, share your work, and get paid with WeTransfer. Whether it's videography, juggling clients, or producers selling music on the side, whatever you want to do, you can sell your files and you can get paid. And you can just click to learn more about what retransfer is. People are cashing up to $200 to $300 per week by selling their different files. So it's really important that you take cautious and understand, which files you're selling and how much they're worth to other people. It's really a guaranteed payment access. You can go through as many files as you want to. The more you're selling $200-300 worth of files, the more files you sell, the more money you can get. So you obviously you see number one, and then you can pick your price and deliver work and gig to get paid. So you have to connect your Stripe account if you want to get paid by your customers. But there's not really much to this. Not only streamlines the process, it gives you so much more on how you'll be paid on time. Um, Logos, illustrations, just whatever types of files that you have, you can get paid for it. And you can make I would say you can make up to $500 in a month if you wanted to. If you charge your clients, if you sell four files, that's $800 potentially right there. It depends on how many files you sell. So let me know if this is something that you would like to me and explore more. It's called WeTransfer. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.